You've heard of it, right? Koho. That Canadian fintech darling that's been making waves with its promise of cash back, no fees, and a better banking experience. But here's the burning question, is Koho available in the US? If you're an American looking to simplify your finances and potentially boost your savings, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would I care about a Canadian financial app? Fair question. The US is a financial behemoth with countless banks and fintech options. But hear me out. Sometimes, the grass can be greener on the other side. Imagine a world without overdraft fees, where every dollar you spend earns you cash back. That's the kind of financial utopia Koho promises its users. So, back to the main question, is Koho available in the US? The short answer is no. Koho is currently exclusive to Canadian residents. It's a bummer, I know. But don't despair just yet. There's always a chance things could change. Fintech is a rapidly evolving industry, and new markets are constantly being explored. But let's talk about why this is such a big deal. Koho has managed to capture the hearts and wallets of Canadians by offering a refreshing alternative to traditional banking. They've eliminated a lot of the pesky fees that drain your account, and they've made it easy to earn cash back on your everyday spending. It's like having a personal financial assistant that actually works for you. If Koho were to expand to the US, it could potentially disrupt the financial landscape here in a major way. Imagine a world where you could easily switch between saving and spending, where you're rewarded for being financially responsible, and where your money actually works for you. It's a tantalizing prospect, isn't it? While we wait for that potential Koho invasion, let's explore some of the reasons why this Canadian fintech has managed to capture such a loyal following. First and foremost, it's about simplicity. Koho's app is designed with user experience in mind. It's clean, intuitive, and doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features. Then there's the cashback. Who doesn't love free money? Koho offers cash back on a variety of purchases, from groceries to dining out. It's a small but consistent way to boost your savings. And let's not forget about the fee-free aspect. Overdraft fees, monthly maintenance fees, foreign transaction fees, these are all things that can add up quickly and eat into your hard-earned cash. Koho says goodbye to all of that. So, while we might have to wait a little longer to experience the Koho magic in the US, it's definitely a company worth keeping an eye on. They've proven that there's a demand for a more customer-centric approach to banking, and it's only a matter of time before other financial institutions start to follow suit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until